In today's lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to fix reporting service not showing in Visual Studio 2022. So let's open Visual Studio 2022 and there I'm going to create the project, and if I write here reporting, so you cannot see this option. Reporting option is not displaying in the list, but reporting service that I already installed. So now you can see download here reportings. So here you can see VSIX installer. So this is initializing. Here I'm getting the message the extension is already installed to all the applicable product. That means or VS reporting service that already installed. So how we can fix that? So let's go back and here open any of the project, then go to extension, manage extension. Then if you search here reporting or services, so now you can see this here reporting service. You can see this is tick and this already installed. Okay, so if I click there, so this already installed. So now you can go on the install tabs. Then here you need to click on this all, and now you can see this is disabled here. Here you can see this is disabled. So you need to make that enable. Okay, make that enable. So this changes will take effect next time Microsoft open. So I just enable that. Now let's click on this close. After that, let's click new and then project. So this time I'm going to search here reporting service. Okay, let's close that and or try to open once again. And again going to create the project. Now you can see this tools are it's coming now. If you search here reporting, then you can see reporting server and reporting service wizard, both are coming in the list. After that you can create the reporting or project inside the Visual Studio. Okay, so next I will show you how to create the project in my next video. So this is how we can fix that issue if that not reporting service is not visible or not showing in the Visual Studio. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.